Hey, what's up? Jigzer here. Instagram has a feature that has recently rolled out, and it allows you to share a story that you are tagged with your followers. In this video, I will show you the steps on how to repost someone's story on Instagram with the new update. Let's go. By default, Instagram does not allow users to share stories that they have not been mentioned in. This means that if someone posts a story and does not tag you in it, you will not be able to see the Add to Your Story option. It only shows up when the original poster includes your username in their story. Once an Instagram account mentions you in their story, you will receive a notification. You can check it directly in the messages. When you receive the message from the user, you will be able to view the story that they have shared with you and repost it by tapping the Add to Your Story button. This will take you to a screen where you can edit the story by adding text, stickers, and more. Tap on Your Story at the bottom left corner to confirm posting. Note that you only have 24 hours to reshare the story after someone mentions or tags you in it. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.